Alrighty, guys, let's get right into it. It's your boy JT. Hey, we're gonna go over to the Pacifica Owners Club forum, okay, on Facebook. Y'all know I hang out over there from time to time, actually a lot. I saw a topic that pretty much interests me a lot. Okay, the question was simple: what is the clear difference between a hybrid and a gasoline? And which one do you think is better? Because I own a 22 Limited hybrid for the first time. All right, now that is an interesting question. In fact, I get asked that a lot, and I always struggle with trying to give a answer. All right, so I'm gonna go over some of these comments and see if any stand out. All right, read. I don't want to read no copied and paste answer. I want to read some hardcore answers from legit people that type this stuff in, put this stuff in. Roger, this looks like a good one here, guys. It depends which type of hybrid you are talking about. There is the PHEV and the regular hybrid. A plug-in hybrid electric vehicle will run for a few miles on electric alone and then change over to hybrid vehicle, like the Chrysler Pacifica hybrid. Other vehicles from different companies have what's called a mild hybrid. There's no plug into that vehicle. They both will give you much better gas mileage than just a regular gas vehicle. Well, I'm sure that's the case. There is no mild hybrid for the Pacifica, which I think pertains to the OP's question. Don't want them to get confused, as this is a Chrysler Pacifica group. Good explanation of the difference, though. Wow, he didn't have to really do that. All right, the hybrid drivetrain is smoother, more efficient, and more refined. It is the highlight of the hybrid. Interesting. Okay, what is this? What is he saying? My car was totaled and I had the hybrid for a month. Man, that thing drove so smooth and it had pep to its step. I eventually bought a regular Pacifica and it doesn't drive as nice as the hybrid. But I was really nervous to buy a used hybrid because I don't have enough time to really research. Guys, whatever you do your research out there. In a hybrid, the middle captain chairs don't go into the floor. That's where the battery is. Okay, so that makes it different. Being able to fit full shore rock, a couch, a load of scrap, my broken refrigerator, my washer dryer. Okay, he basically saying he got enough room to put a lot of stuff in it because, of this situation. Hybrids give you better mileage and can even run on pure electric for a limited amount of miles. Problem is that you lose stow and go due to the batteries taking up space, and you don't have an all-wheel drive option. Hybrid is also a more complicated system, so more things that can go wrong. Shifting is smoother on hybrid, but I personally think the V6 feel more powerful. Okay, you can't, everybody has their own opinion, right? But naturally, a hydraulic transmission, a regular transmission is going to feel, that's going to be some difference in feel, guys. So my point is, I guess, if you're thinking about buying one, you should be able to distinguish the difference as far as what you're hearing, as far as research, as far as all of that goes. So anybody out there in the market thinking about buying one, please do your research. What's your drive like? If you got a 5 to 10 mile drive and have place to charge with the hybrid, if you got long trips to go with the gas engine. Yeah. Those are interesting topics, guys. It depends which type of hybrid. We already did that one. Let's take a look at this one because, this one looked like it was copied and pasted. As others have mentioned, the Pacifica hybrid is what's called PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. This means that it has both the gas and electric engine, both of which it uses to propel the van. Yeah, this is copied and pasted. I like reading authentic things. So guys, I'm gonna wrap this up on this video. Don't even have to be long. If you are struggling, or if you in the middle of buying a vehicle, a hybrid vehicle, the main thing you can take away from this is knowing you can go both ways. I know that sounds a little tacky, don't it? Gasoline or either the hybrid. Now, like this one commenter mentioned, the other makes and models, the definition is all the same as far as the basic understanding of it. Okay, but Well, all this differentiality come in at is what your car will be equipped with. Okay, so yeah, make sure if that's a standout point for you, you understand that point. All right. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna include some short videos. I got some short videos I haven't had time to release. I'm just gonna put them on the tail end of this video. But that's some of the major difference, or that's some of the explanations as it relates to the hybrid versus the the hybrid versus the full electric vehicle, or even the gasoline engine. Now remember, it's a lot of these comments could come off as being biased. This is, however, a form, okay, Pacifica, Chrysler Pacifica, the minivan. So that's what a question generated from. All right. So guys, that's all I have. Enjoy the rest of these shorts. All right. Thanks for watching.
Hashtag short, guys. Check out this beauty. This is like a '09 Grand Cherokee. Yeah, 6'1", guys. Beautiful sounding truck. Anyway, getting ready to do a PCM stall out issues, guys. Internal circuit board of the PCM is likely coming apart. At least that's what my diagnostic led to. But what I want to talk about is this PCM. Now, this PCM was discontinued as it relates to a Chrysler OEM. I'm a big fan of OEM parts. However, when you can't do it, you go to plan B. Now, a lot of people always ask me, where can you get PCMs that's already pre-programmed? According to here, this is where we got this one from, guys. And to my understanding, it's programmed already. So all I have to do is bolt it up and plug in the connectors and fire it up and go. Okay, so we'll see what happens. I don't know. First time I'm doing one. Well, not really the first time, but I don't know how they work out. So I'm about to find out, and I'll let you guys know how they work out. Hi, about that. Hashtag short. Quick update video on that last short I just did. Yes, guys, I got this PCM replaced with the one from the Reman company or from a computer exchange company. Okay, the claim of being already programmed and ready to go is semi-true and semi-false. All right. There's no way they back in California or wherever they came from can program that and have it already set to the throttle body. In other words, there is some work you have to do, guys, even once you install it. So you must have a scan tool. Okay, now I will have to learn this. This is the ETC, electronic throttle control. All right, there's no cables, there's no throttle lever or anything like that. It's electronically controlled. So this has to be married to the PCM. All right, so I will have to hook up my scan tool and perform the ETC relearn. I have to learn the throttle body to the PCM. So now as far as programming, I guess it's programming. Fired up and starting ready to go. I had nothing to do with the key, but I do, however, have to set ETC.